Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how to get gun in lobby and how you can take the gun in lobby every time. For this one, you have to open PUBG game. At the bottom right side, you will see inventory. You have to click on it. Now in the left side, you will see settings option. You have to click on it and you have to enable the first option, show firearm in main menu. You have to enable it. Now you have to click on weapon and you have to select the weapon that will appear by time of equation. You can take the gun which you have got by opening the crates. So we have got two guns by opening the crates. So we'll select M24. Now we'll start the game. So here you can see right now we are in, here you can see right now we have gun in lobby. We have selected M24 gun and right now we have M24 gun in PUBG lobby. And now we can use this gun in lobby. So in the same way, you can also take gun in PUBG Mobile lobby or Spawn Island. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.